Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will continue our StepN playlist and we'll talk about sockets and gems. So as you know in StepN, base values of sneakers matter because higher the base efficiency and resilience levels, the higher our daily earnings. But on top of our base values and level points, we can also add gems to our sneakers in order to increase our sneaker stats. You can buy these gems from the StepN marketplace, but first you will need to pay 10 GSD to open your first socket. As you can see, this is the floor price for the gems. So when you click on your sneaker, you'll see 4 different sockets all around your sneaker. The first one for my sneaker, it will depend on your sneaker, it might change for you. On the top left, you can see the first one, and I opened the first socket and I will give you the details in a second. The one on the top right is my second socket. The one on the bottom left is my third, and the one on the bottom right is my fourth and last socket. And as you can see, my shoe has 4 different sockets. The first one is luck, the second one is efficiency, the third one is comfort, and the fourth one is resilience. But let's have a look at one random shoe from the marketplace. For example, let's have a look at this shoe, and as you can see, this one has efficiency, comfort, resilience, and efficiency. So it will depend on your shoe and it might change for you. I'm just showing you my sneaker, giving you an example. And the first socket opens at 5 levels, the second one at 10 levels, third one at 15, and the last one opens at 20 levels. And as I said, I paid 10 GSD in order to open the socket, and I placed this luck gem into the socket. So when I click on it, we can see the exact stats that it gave my sneaker. It gave 2.2 points to my luck, and I actually added this in order to increase my chances for the chest drops. As you can see, if I want, I can remove my gem and sell it on the marketplace. And let's actually have a look at the luck gems floor prices. So for this, you open the store, you click on gems, and by filtering, I will choose luck and confirm it. And as you can see, it's nearly around 0.05 Solanas. So that was it. It was a quick explanation of the gems and sockets. As I said, on top of your base values and level points, you can add these gems into your sockets to increase your shoe's performance. And actually, for this video, I want to give out one activation code. The first one of you guys to see this code and enters it will activate their StepN and be ready to use it. So comment down below if you are the first one to see this and use this. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos for the StepN tutorials and other playlists. And don't forget to check out our other social media accounts from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.